can't really explain it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this hair, and I'm also going to be showing you my install and my edges and all of that stuff. Don't forget to check out my makeup tutorial. I did do this makeup tutorial, so I'm going to link the video in the eye above over here so you guys can see my natural everyday springtime summertime makeup look. This is the makeup look that I'm wearing on vacation. This is a makeup look that I'm wearing anytime I feel like wearing makeup when it's hot outside. This is the look I go for, so make sure to check that out so you guys can try out this springtime look. Today's video is in collaboration with Ronnie Hair. I did collaborate with them 2 times before. Okay, so the wig that I'm collaborating with them today is their 5x5 Swiss lace, but basically they have hair all around the side, so it's like a frontal, but it's actually just 5x5 lace. They put a little bit of lace just so it could blend properly in the front, which I really like, so you don't have to leave any of your hair out. So I appreciate that. It's kind of like, you know, the frontals where they have a little bit of hair, a little bit of lace on the side. That's basically it, but they just call it a 5x5 because that's exactly what it is, and they're not charging you a lace frontal price because it is a closure. So yeah, so this is their Swiss lace, and Swiss lace is basically more undetectable. It blends into the skin properly. All I'm gonna say is I don't like the fake scalp thing underneath the lace, just because I wear my own caps. I just feel like I can see the cap underneath the lace, the cap that's sewn into the wig. So that's my only con. I'm going to show you guys up close in case you want to buy it so you can see how it looks. Like, you can see the cap right there. But the good thing about it is they sewn the cap in with a clear thread. So the thread is clear, so you can cut the cap off and just wear your wig regular. This wig is very beautiful and pretty. It did give me slight shedding. It did give me some shedding, and keep in mind I also did a bleach bath for this wig, so obviously I went in and did some deep conditioning and stuff. And I want to show you guys how the wig looks in the back. This is how long the wig is on me. Keep in mind it is 20 inches. So let's get right into this video. That's all the information I had for you. I don't want to be talking too much because I know I'll be talking too much at the start of my videos, and that's not that, okay?
Without no question, I would give you more. I must confess that, girl, I love too hard. My toxic past left me emotionally scarred. Then I saw you, then it changed my whole point of view. Never thought you would say you love me, cause I do. I know it's been a short time, look what we've been through. Show that anything to put a smile on your face. Girl, I'm ready right now, I can't wait. Girl, don't you leave, I want you right here to stay. You got my heart right now. 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 heart right now. You got my heart right now.
What you say now? Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, 'cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. You're the worst, you know what you've done to me. And although it hurts, I know I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you, 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 but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I lost hope. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one night him. I never listened, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. 'Cause I usually do stick to the business, but you came out the blue, then you just flipped it. Goddamn, baby, my mind's blown. Be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind and shit. This is where we could build through different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way. Funny how everything changed once you got all that you wanted. Nothing was ever the same. And though I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I still want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you.
When the moon looking with you compose. Wanna chill with me for the summertime. But only come alive in the nighttime. Show you go body like an hourglass. When the moon looking with you compose. Wanna chill with me for the summertime. But only come alive in the nighttime. Oh yeah, she got a body like oh yeah. When she walk up in the room like she got a body like what it say? If you think you're gonna leave, don't hold your breath. I'ma hold you down, never neglect. Treat you right, like you never left. Hold me close, 'cause I really wanna know if you be putting on a show more than when he hit me with a
Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you're gonna try this look. Make sure you check out this makeup look to match the hair. I did put a little bit more blush on my face just to give the hair like a nice warm bronzy look. This is so gorgeous. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out Ronnie hair. This is how the hair is looking. Nice and full. This is a nice spring color. This is the hairline of the wig. I made sure that I got my edges so I would not have no black edges because my hair is very dark. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and send this video to your friends so we all can look gorgeous, okay, for springtime, summertime. Check out my makeup videos so we all can look real nice and skin like. And yeah, thank you guys so much for checking me out, and I appreciate you. And my wig sale is Friday the 16th at 5 p.m. so make sure you check out my Instagram, follow me, and I'm gonna have the thing on my stories so you guys can, it's a story sale, so yeah. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video, and I love you guys so much for always sticking by me. That's your man, and I'm gonna stick by him. Thank you guys for sticking by me. I appreciate you, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye.
I can't really explain it. I fucked it up with my main bitch. How you leave a nigga ballin' like Cambridge? You ain't speaking my language. It's like you still on some lame shit. And I heard that nigga bought you a bracelet. Got a feeling it's stainless. I still make you feel famous. Like a doctor doing bad, you see I'm losing my patience. Block my number, got me sending you emails. I typed in all caps.